Hi, my name is Zach Strong, and this is my movement biography. So, for my prenatal development, thankfully there were no major complications with my mother's pregnancy and along with her delivery, and there were no major complications with my health or my mother's health within the first 24 hours of me being born. When I was born, I was 7 pounds, 12 ounces, and I was 20 and a half inches tall. For my infancy development, I began sitting independently as well as crawling when I was 9 months old. I began cruising or walking when I was 12 months old. I began walking when I was 15 months old, as well as self-feeding. I began talking when I was 14 months old, and my first word was mama. For my early childhood development, I began playing soccer when I was 4, and I started playing basketball when I was 6. I started my music class in the 6th grade, so that was when I was 12, and I played the saxophone. I started riding a bike at 8 and started skateboarding and rollerblading when I was 11. For my late childhood, adolescence, I continued swimming up until the start of my senior year in high school when I was 17. We swam 5 days a week and had competitions almost every single week. I specialized in swimming. We would practice for 5 nights during the school week. We would practice Monday to Thursday after school, and then we would practice in the morning before school started on Friday. What made me continue to keep on swimming was a lot of my friends were on the swim team, and I really enjoyed it since I had been swimming for almost a decade. As for my adult development, I continued swimming until the part way through my senior year in high school, but unfortunately I had to stop because I injured my shoulder and couldn't keep swimming. I picked up ultimate frisbee in my junior year in high school, and me and my friends would just go to the park on Fridays after school and play for a few hours. Since then, I've become a very high-skilled player in ultimate frisbee because I can guard, catch, and throw the frisbee very well since I've been playing in leagues for 3 years now. I hope you guys enjoyed my movement biography. Have a good one.